What's up, y'all? My name is Aaron, and I'm going to show you a little bit about my life here in PCB and what living by the beach is like. So if y'all want to come along with me, we'll walk down the beach and show you how beautiful it is to really live in an area like this in Florida. You know, besides the massive condos, the beach is right down through there. There's a FedEx truck. But when you go to the top of those things and look out, it's crazy how far you can see. I don't know if y'all can see this too, but I'm walking past my truck right here. And yeah, I'd say I got all the life out of that one. Well, maybe not all the life, but I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's pretty bad. But I got some new ones right here about to go on, so that'll be nice. That was a little birthday present from my brother helping me to buy those. Well, I got new tires, but now here comes the joy of doing brake pads. So it's not too bad, but they look good. New tires on. Beautiful day out here. Well guys, after doing the brakes on my truck, I sure am hungry, so I'm gonna go to the greatest restaurant of all time. We're pulling in right now. Chipotle, of course. Hey, sometimes I just like going and getting a massive bowl of rice and, oh gosh, rice, beans, steak, cheese. Gotta have the queso, of course. All right, I'm gonna run in here and get some food and then head back to the house. There it is. All right, y'all, that about wraps up this video, but maybe in the next one, I'm thinking about getting some shots of the Ferris wheel over at Pier Park at night, because it lights up, and maybe going out on the pier too. That'll be pretty. So, all right, y'all, well, if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.